One of the most effective ways to reduce the urban heat island effect is to increase the amount of vegetation in urban areas. Trees and green roofs can provide shade, cool the air, and absorb carbon dioxide. Green roofs are a great way to add vegetation to the city landscape. They can be installed on existing buildings and help to reduce energy consumption by keeping buildings cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Another solution is to promote alternative modes of transportation such as cycling and walking. This reduces the number of cars on the road, which in turn reduces heat generated by vehicles and improves air quality. Water features such as fountains and ponds can also help to cool the air and reduce the urban heat island effect. They provide a source of evaporative cooling and add a soothing ambience to urban environments. Another way to reduce the urban heat island effect is to use reflective materials on roofs, pavements, and buildings. This helps to reflect sunlight and reduce the amount of heat absorbed by these surfaces.